Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve web development with Webflow step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Webflow website. Sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, access the dashboard and click on New Project. Choose a template that fits your needs, or start from scratch if you prefer. Familiarize yourself with the Webflow interface, including the designer, editor, and preview modes. In the designer mode, you will see a layout of your project with various tools on the left sidebar. Begin by adding sections to your website by dragging and dropping from the Add panel. Select a section and use the Settings panel to customize properties like width, height, and background color. For text elements, drag a text block onto your section. Edit the text directly in the designer by double-clicking the text block. Use the typography settings in the Style panel to adjust font, size, and color. To add images, drag an image element into your layout and upload your desired image. Ensure each element is responsive by adjusting settings for different breakpoints using the responsive design controls. Next, start creating navigation by adding a navbar component from the Add panel. Customize your navigation links to match your website structure and design. Utilize interactions for dynamic elements, like hover effects and animations, by selecting an element and navigating to the Interactions panel. Once your layout is complete, set up collections for dynamic content if needed. Go to the CMS Collections panel and create a new collection, establishing fields for your content. Add sample content to your collection to visualize how it will display on your website. After your design is finalized, preview your website using the Preview button. Make necessary adjustments if you notice any inconsistencies or areas for improvement. Finally, when satisfied, publish your website by clicking on the Publish button at the top right. Choose a domain or use the Webflow subdomain to share your work. Review your published site to ensure everything functions as expected. Scanning for any final tweaks will enhance user experience and functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.